Believe in magic. Open your eyes and see the magic that is all around in nature. The more you connect to nature in all its forms, from the trees and the creatures of land, air, and sea, to the beautiful oceans of water, to the planet as a whole, to the sun and our star system, to the Milky Way galaxy and the greater cosmos, the more you will feel that magic that is part of nature. And pretty soon you will feel that you are a part of that magic as well. When you disconnect from nature, you disconnect from who you are and in the innate power that resides deep within you. That power is meant for you to change, transform, and evolve the world in which you live. That power connects you to all life, and when used wisely, opens your eyes to the magic and sacredness of life itself. So choose to see the light behind the form, the light that gives rise to form. When you do so, you invite that vibrational frequency to unfold and reveal itself to you. You invite magic to be revealed. So in so doing, you transform whatever is in the way of that light, and you become one with that light, making it possible for you to experience the magic in life that is already there in front of you. Believe in magic, my friends, because it's everywhere around you. Open your hearts and see the light behind the form.